my most amazing art friends. Today on Kids Art Station, we are exploring origami. Origami is folded paper, and we're going to be creating, we've got a dog, a kitty cat, a bunny rabbit, and a little Pikachu. All you need is a square piece of paper, not too thick, so printer paper works great. It should be a square, and I have a video on how to create that if you need that. And then you're going to want something to draw with, either markers or crayons or colored pencils. Let's begin by making an easy origami kitty cat. So get your square paper. Make sure it's a thin sheet of paper so you can fold it. Step number 1 says we need to put it at a diagonal. Take the top corner, bring it down, line it up with the very bottom corner like that. Carefully crease your paper down, right and left. Okay, step 2. Oh, we need to switch the paper around so the point is away from us. Very good. Now it says fold it in half. So we fold that paper in half, again trying to line up those corners. Give it a good strong crease. Nice job. Open it back up, and it looks just like step number 2 with the crease down the middle. Okay, number 3. Now when you're doing origami, make sure that you follow the numbers. We're on step 3. It says to grab the corners, both corners, one at a time, and we're going to be folding those upward. Yep, so it'll look like step number 4. Not here. Oh, yep, see there's that crease. We are going to make a point at the bottom and pull the one side up. Yep, we're going to slide it over just a little bit, just like that. Great. Give it a good crease. We have a diagonal here and a vertical there. Okay, let's grab the other side. And you can see down at where my finger is at the very bottom, we have a point down there. So we're making a V shape with our right and left sides. Yep, looks just like that. All right, the next step, grab that top point, bring it straight down, and if you can, line up those creases. Perfect. Let's flip it over, all the way over. All right, and you're ready to draw your face. My cat has a very cute little nose, and when she is purring, she looks like this. So I thought, draw my kitty. And you can add stripes or whatever you want. Let's move on. So grab another piece of origami paper or paper square. Let's move on to the dog. Oh, step 1 looks very familiar. Okay, put your paper at a diagonal, grab the top and fold it down to the bottom, folding it in half. Very nice. Line up your corners and crease your paper out, right and left. Nice. Does it look like number 2? It does. Perfect. That point is towards us. Now we need to fold it in half also. Again, trying to line up those corners. Great job. You'll see wherever there's a dotted line in origami, it means there's a fold there. And you don't cut origami, we just fold it. Number 3, we have to take the corners and we're going to fold them down like this for our puppy's ears. And you can see there's a space on the top of his head. So let's leave a little bit of space there. Yep. Fold the one ear down. Very nice. See, it was up and now it's down. Up and down. Perfect. Okay, leave a little space on this side for his head and fold the other ear down. Give it a nice crease. Cute. Okay, that looks great. We're ready to move on. So we're going to take the bottom corner, fold it up. If you can line it up with that fold, that's perfect. Now we have our cute little puppy. His nose right there. Go ahead and color that in. I like to add little whisker dots on my puppies. And you can draw whatever kind of a face you want to draw on your dog. This is just the one that I'm going to do. And if your dog has spots, maybe you want to add some spots or whatever, you could color it with crayons. You don't have to use blue paper. That's just what I had, so I used it. Moving on. Pink paper. This one's for our bunny rabbit. So the same thing goes. Grab your square paper, whatever color it is, and step one, here we go. Take it at a diagonal, grab the bottom, and we fold it up. Very nice. Line up the corners, crease your paper, right and left. Okay, step two, fold it in half. Yep. And the point is away from us. Very good. So we get a nice good crease right here. Open it up. Now step three is a little different. We're going to take that bottom edge, yep, and fold it upward. That whole bottom edge, yep, the whole thing. Fold it upward, crease it right, and crease it left. Looks like a boat. And that's what we want it to look like. That's perfect. Next step, we're going to be folding up the right and left corners. There we go. And you want it to line up with that middle line. There's one side. Do the same thing on the other side. Very good. Give it a good crease. Nice. Okay, the next step, it says to flip it over. So flip it over. Still doesn't quite look like a bunny yet. Let's take this top flap right here and fold it behind. And I think the best way to do that is actually flip it over on the back again and just fold that down. There we go. And then go ahead and put those ears back up. And then also it shows number 7 is the chin. We don't want a pointy chin on our rabbit, so we're going to fold that towards the back of the bunny. So when we flip it over, voila! Now we've got our cute little bunny, and you can draw whatever type of face you would like to do on your bunny. I tried one with some leftover wrapping paper that I had. Same pattern, just with some different type of paper, and I think it turned out really cute. All right, we're ready for our last one, which is Pikachu. And if you have yellow paper, it's perfect. And if you don't, that's okay. You can do it and then just color your paper yellow with a crayon. Okay, so grab your paper. And we use a lot of the same steps that are in the bunny rabbit. So step 1, grab your bottom corner, fold it up. Whoop. Nice, hold that corner, crease right, crease left. Great. Fold it in half. You've got it all figured out. Nice. Yep, good crease right here. Now open it. And then just like the rabbit, you're going to grab that bottom edge and fold it one time upward. Very good. So it does look like our boat. Now this is where we're going to change it up a little bit. Got our boat. Now we're going to take the top corner and we are going to fold it downward. Well, it looks, I guess, more like a hat, maybe? Sure. Okay. Now we are going to fold the edges up. So the way we did with the rabbit is we folded it straight up, but we're going to take the Pikachu and do a little bit different. We want to line up these two edges of the paper. So this edge of the paper lines up with this edge of the paper. Just carefully do that and give it a good strong crease. Nice. See? Just fold that one up, lining up the edges. Yep, right there. Perfect. Same thing on the other side. Folding it up carefully to make sure those two edges of the paper line up. Nice, just like that. Give it a good crease. And you're ready to flip it over. Voila! I love it. I think Pikachu is missing something though. Let me find my other Pikachu. 'Cause I'm pretty sure we're missing something. Yep. Now I'm going to use a marker for this, but you can use crayons or colored pencils. Now if you do use markers, make sure you have a piece of paper to protect your table. You can see like mine, I kind of got a mess on my purple paper. That's okay. When you do the eyes, I like to leave a little bit of light reflection or a little shine in the eyes. Just makes them extra cute. And of course, Pikachu isn't complete without its cheeks. There we go, they are so cute. So we created Pikachus, and we created puppies, and we've got some cute little rabbits, and of course, our kitty cats. So I hope you enjoyed doing our Pets and Pikachu easy origami.